Good evening, everyone, and I hope for everyone it is audible. Wish you happy New Year to everyone. So, Pantech e-learning welcomes you all for the new year of 2022, and this will be my first class on particular 2022. Okay, participants, does anybody having doubt regarding the previous sessions? You can just post it. I hope everyone has enjoyed their New Year in a good way. Participants having any doubts or questions regarding from day 1 till day 26 can be posted onto the chat. Yeah, good evening all. Happy New Year to all. Yes, I'm very happy that this will be the first session of 2022. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. So far, everyone it is clear completely regarding towards the lemmatization, which we have gone through yesterday, and today is day 27, and still 3 days left to complete this. Participants having any types of doubts can be posted. Happy New Year, new direction. Participants having any doubts can be posted. Okay. Good evening, good evening. Happy New Year, AA Master. Thank you, Shobhanala Lakshmi. Good evening, good evening. Okay, participants, I would like to know what will be till day 26 class. What is your own opinion regarding towards the polling? I would like to know just what will be that. So everyone can just provide a polling because based on that particular polling, it will be good to know that. So out of 40 votes, 90 percentage is just good till now. Very happy for that. Fantastically happy. Okay, thank you, Praveen Tiwade, for my classes. Just regularly watching. So happy for your valuable comment. Yeah, happy New Year to Advocate sir. So happy to see you all this 2022, and I hope still this Pantaki learning will be continuing for many more years. So in the after all 17 years, we are just still withstanding in this kind of field, sharing this kind of technologies and the knowledge sharing parts, and many of them come and go regarding towards this each and every kinds of requirements and their own opinions. So I feel definitely happy for that. So you guys are also just cooperating with us. So if anybody having such doubts regarding from day one, you can just post it in chat. Thank you, Madhav Bogla, for my teaching regarding to your learn. So whatever you have gained in the same way only, I wish for everyone to be gained. Then only it will reach our own mission. So I hope everyone used to see our mission like sharing knowledge at least 10 million. It's not like sharing the knowledge. They should also understand. So that is the secondary thing. I hope so. The first thing they have to make an approach. The secondary is like they have to utilize it. And I hope Mr. Madhav Pogla has used it. So happy for that. And the thing is, we are teaching in a different way. So like completely through the practical, not like cannot be said as different way for all the participants. It is in the same way. There is no such a difference or not. I hope everyone is enjoying this. Thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you for your much following. I think around 132 votes, till 92% is good. So I hope most of them are enjoying. This will create definitely a boosting for us, and definitely we will be having a poll even at the end of the session. Okay, guys, this polling will be there till end. So participants, I hope we have successfully completed till day 26, and nowadays we are just working with Google Colab. I hope so. So like that kind of we have seen different tools, different packages, and currently we have come to the NLP, which is entirely different, but it's most important. What are the structures we are just reading through NLP? It almost relates only for the functions. Okay, whatever we work under the devices, especially for our Google search engine or our mobile phone assistants, or it may be like voice bots. So through that voice bots only, here we will also be able to uh, talk with that respective things. Okay, the respective things means either it may be a light or it may be a fan. So nowadays, everyone has started to make automation inside the room itself. But both IoT and AI it has been applied. So therefore, that kind of things only which we are seeing inside this NLP. Thank you, Tulsi Doot Paneni, for approaching this platform to improve your knowledge. So happy for that. Thank you, Lily. Very happy for enjoying our session. Thank you all for your valuable words. I am so happy for that. Yeah, and soon till this particular day, the attendance will be released shortly. Okay, so everyone can be stay calm onto this. Yeah, participants, welcome to day 27. And about Pandac, there is no much to say, but we are having a short kind of business, and within this particular business itself, we are handling in various departments like educational, technical training, and prototype designing. So, among this educational equipments for all the engineering institutions, government institutions, and non-government institutions, we are providing, especially the lab equipments, and at the same time technical training in all the prospective knowledges, except for civil engineering. For all other domains we are providing. For mechanical engineering we are providing it as robotics. So I hope that whenever we are interacting with the different technologies, then only we will be able to once work regarding towards this particular progress. So throughout this particular progress means here we will be just checking complete interactions over there. So the interaction through online also we are providing, and initially we were about to do that particular direct interactions, but we have just stopped that particular direct interactions over here due to this COVID. And if anyone is far away means they are trying to reach difficult to us. So therefore we have switched everything to online. So at any time, any place, you can just acquire us. So soon we will be just approaching everywhere with so much new kind of technologies. So like this kind of advanced technologies also will be showing, and you can also get many short courses for free. Yes, Lily, definitely. Yeah, definitely you can contact us. We'll be available from Monday to Saturday, so you can definitely contact us for internship plan projects. And for that, you can just call us on 98409 And regarding projects, you can just approach us through pantechelearning.com online. So through online 89255 sorry, 488 and 489. So those numbers can be note down for the project purpose. Thank you all. Thank you for your maximum likes and at the same time your maximum polling. So rather than this particular likes itself, we are most happy for this particular polling also. You can help us in boosting to reach everywhere. We are also ready to teach anything everywhere. So what and all the knowledges we know, we are ready to share, because if you are ready to learn means we are also ready to teach. So that is our mentality, and we also ready to teach everything in an easy way. So which and all it comes under the step by step. Nothing is new to in this world. So whatever it has been existed, we are just sharing the knowledge. An important announcement to the participants: definitely you will be receiving your certificates after the end of the series. Attendance form will be issued at 8 p.m. and 8:15 p.m. 25 days attendance is required to get free masterclass participation certificate. So make sure your presence is available over there. Okay, guys. Then so this is the major difference between masterclass as well as a internship. Among this internship, we have just gone very far, and we are about to reach our destination. Our destination that has been started with all the NLP process. And if you just see that agenda also, I'm so happy, right? We have just gone for this entire functions and working with different terminologies which is present inside the NLP. I don't know how many of them has known for this much kind of techniques. Still, there are many techniques to be known onto this NLP. NLP can also be done in all the programming languages, including the MATLAB. You can also integrate that respective parts. So once when we are working regarding toward this lemmatizations or stemming, tokenizing, so this kind of integrations, and the same NLP we can also work in AWS as well as Azure. So soon we will be also getting into that. Yeah, the video is now visible means from tomorrow we will be able to visible due to the heavy rain as well as that particular climate change. We don't have proper frequency of internet. Actually, we are situated in Chennai. So due to that, Pedapalli, actually we have not just created any courses for Azure, but we are planning to release. But once we release, you can just see the respective updates inside our site. You will be receiving it. And Subhajit Nandi for EV projects. Yes, we are providing EV projects for students. You can just approach on 98409 74408. Yeah. To give you a quality kind of content only, we have just removed camera. That is only for temporary. So from tomorrow, we will be able to see that. How could I access? Yes, you can access to that 88 number or 89 number, and at the same time 08 number. So these three numbers belong to us. You can just dial, or you can also put a WhatsApp. Okay, fine. So participants, welcome to the uh, lemmatizing session. So this is purpose of lemmatizing. So in the session we will come to know, after the entire session we will come to know that what is the purpose of lemmatization. So through this lemmatization, what and all can be done, and why it is being compared with stemming. What is the relativity between the stemming and lemmatization? Like a comparison, we will be able to see. So towards this day, we will learn these much things like what is lemmatizing, different approaches of lemmatization, comparison of stemming and lemmatization, application of lemmatization, and finally we will be seeing the demo of that lemmatization over here. So in that demo, we will be seeing some 2 or 3 approaches of lemmatization. So in that particular way only, here we will be applying. Previously, we have seen the stemming part. The stemming means it will be able to trim that respective data, whatever it is found at the end. Okay, so that end data, if you go for a grammatical, so like here we should also know that English grammar also. Inside that English grammar, I hope that everyone might have heard regarding suffix and prefix. So to trim out that particular suffix only the task of a stemming. But in lemmatization, it is not like that. It will process that entire group together, and therefore the different inflected forms, like whatever the words which we have been applied. For example, was means it will be changed as to be, better means good, meeting means meeting. So like that, which and all the adaptive words. Okay, maybe whatever I am speaking over here, it will be able to there are some mistakes whenever I am speaking, that is entirely different. But once onto that particular functions, here this integrations will be converted into a single word, like by analyzing the group of word. For that, an app word will be replaced, which we are seeing inside the grammarly. So if you are just providing the past tense means, it will ask this is a past passive voice. It will be good if you are just moving to the present voice. So like that kind of different approaches we have into our system. So within that particular system only, it applies for the lemmatization. So whether the lemmatization is advanced or below average for the stemming means, it is definitely advanced. While compared to stemming, many of them, 95 percentage of the developers will be using only lemmatization over here. So making a round off, initially in max we used to say it as round off max and physics calculations. So if it goes above 9.5 means it is termed as 10. If it comes below 9.5 means it is termed as 9. So like this kind of rounding off only inside the English sentence or the words also we can say. So from this particular lemmatization, the grouping and the different inflected forms of a word can be analyzed in a single item. So that only this particular passage is meaning. And here I have just given some examples for that. Like was, it will be changed into to be. Then better, it will be changing into the good. Meeting, it will be changed into the meeting only. Because those words are apt for the respective sentence means it will be replaced inside that itself. Now, according to our explanation, this is the lemmatizing. The same thing, let us check with our Cortana. What is lemmatizing?
Limiting means setting or
What is lemmatizing?
sorry, I don't know the answer to this one.
What is lemma?
Llama means
What is lemma?
lemma means a subsidiary or intermediate theorem in an argument or proof.
So the another word of that particular lemmatizing, it is known as lemma. So which is used as a linguistic performance. So inside the linguistic performance to convert or adapt the data and at the same time to make a data as simplified possible. So for that particular purpose only this lemmatizing will be used. What are the different approaches of lemmatization? So lemmatization can be applied into the coding in different ways. For each and every way we have to select the package. Select wordnet with post tag, text blob with post tag, spacey, tree tagger, pattern, gensim, Stanford core, NLP. So these are the different types where we will be able to approach our lemmatization over here. Now inside this limitation for this, once when we are working regarding towards this different approaches mean from this any one approach only we will be take. Like what we have seen for the previous algorithms. So that algorithms only here also it has been there. This kind of different types. Here we can see our own requirements and this applications. So generally the applications is not much differed other than stemming, but there are some changes over here which will be able to break with us. Now inside our mobile phone, if you are just typing for the chat purpose, if I am typing good means if it is morning time means it comes morning, afternoon means afternoon. I'm not sure how many of them have such. Night means night. And hello means hello, how, like that some next words will be there. If you type that two words means the rest of the words also will be predicted one by one. So that completely comes under the form of lemmatization only. And some auto correction also is there. Those auto correction it comes under the lemmatization as well as stemming purpose. So this are all only the general thing which we are completely working as an applications inside the technical part of NLP along with the lemmatization purpose. So here once when we are integrating, we have to know like how it will be able to create that. So inside the system here definitely we will be having a dictionary. Okay, according to NLTK or let it be any of the packages which is used for NLP. Therefore, here we will be having dictionary. I think always it will be better after writing to drop. Dictionary. Okay, so dictionary it is the most important part. And this dictionary, it's from NLTK, whatever we are using. Like that, for each and every NLP package, they have their own dictionary. So what does this dictionary will be having? So into this dictionary, it will be having the complete different words. Now the thing is, here we will provide the input. Input, tokenization, gemming, or lemmatization. So once after that particular tokenization, it will split the words, and from there it is sent to the stemming purpose, stemming or lemmatizing purpose. Okay, in before that we will be also having a particular structure which can be said as pre-processing. The pre-processing, it is also there for this respective NLP, not only for NLP, for all the machine learning it is available. So now once after that tokenization, therefore it comes with the dictionary part. Okay, so from this dictionary the comparison will be there. So based on that particular comparison only, it is able to automatically collect that entire data, because previously yesterday itself whatever we have just make it with stemming, there will be such kind of doubts. So for that particular doubt clarification only, today this block diagram has been created. So from that particular block diagram, we came to know that through this dictionary, the words will be already taken as input, and from that it will be taken for the stemming as well as the lemmatization purpose. Here, how the tokenization is done, we have already discussed. Like based on that input data, it will be splitting out each and every space. So wherever that particular space has been given, the tokenization will be applied on that. So in this way only that lemmatization or the stemming, it is being taken place. But inside this lematizations, while comparing to that, okay, based on the word, it automatically changes, which we won't be able to predict. At least for stemming, we can predict, but in lemmatization, the predictions are completely less. So participants having any doubt till here can be posted into the chat. Any doubts till whatever we have conducted can be posted. All are welcome to that, and definitely I'm very hearty thankful to everyone for your wonderful response to the poll. I hope let the poll be there till we complete this session. So till that, if anybody having doubt means you can just post it within the chat. Yes, attendance will be issued within 8:15. The working of the lemmatization is similar to stemming, but whatever the output we are expecting, it is completely different. For what purpose we are using the stemming, the same thing only for lemmatization also. So it can be categorized in two ways. So still any doubts can be posted. Still any doubts can be posted. What type of autocorrections will correct in lemmatization? Mostly words grammatical mistakes. Okay, whatever it is there in dictionary, you will try to adapt towards that dictionary. For example, when we type in our mobile, if you are providing that autocorrection in whenever you are chatting with a message means, it will provide some options. Like the first option, it is nothing but whatever it is there we are going to type. The second option is what is available in dictionary, and the third option is also whatever it is available inside the dictionary. So the machine is about to predict which word you are going to type or which sentence you are going to type. Okay, so from that, based on the selections only, it gets corrected. And sometimes if we just type anything and we are moving on to the next word means, there also the auto correction will be there. That is nothing but the word is getting corrected, the respective word getting corrected, not the entire sentence. That is known as the auto correction. Yeah, I think it will be good if I detail explaining. Definitely, once the session will be continued, I will be explaining it. Yes, Happy New Year, Ganesh. Yeah, still any doubts means can be posted. Happy New Year, Bala. Happy New Year. And don't miss the chance of this New Year offer. Definitely, you guys can just select any of the compo according to your domain and your career growth. So once when we are focusing on the career with respective technology means, I think this will be the right time and the right place to collect it. Yes, Vamshi Gali. It is almost like Grammarly only. Not Grammarly. The Grammarly also using this kind of NLP techniques only. Grammarly, even our Microsoft Word Office, not only Word, wherever we are typing and providing the autocorrection, those places and all having this plagiarism checker. Okay, Madhav, the difference between stemming and lemmatization method. Yes, that will be the next slide. Okay, so on to that we'll be moving soon. The comparison will be provided. Very simple comparison only. Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Yes, so Prabhakaran sir, actually those videos are available to our site. Yes, Pradeep Kumar, definitely we can use Python for mechanical projects, artificial intelligence interfacing with mechanical systems or robotics. So for this kind of applications, we can definitely use Python. Yes, Arkaprava Ghosh, uh, never take the combo in for the sake. Make the combo useful for your career also. So whatever you learn, try to implement it to your project. And if you are interested to share along with the global communities, you can share with us through our Facebook community group. Yeah, regarding certificates, you can contact to the numbers 9840974408. So they'll be rectifying your issues. Yeah, thank you, and I hope you will also be enjoying that. Okay, so I hope there is no doubts for the participants. And for those who have voted, almost thank you to all. Concurrent viewers are about 213 only, but what are the votes I have received for till now is 1150 votes. I'm not sure whether this votes we will be able to repeat it or how the polling is going on, whether for everyone those who have subscribed the Antec e-learning. But anyway, thanks for the persons who those who have voted for us. We are completely happy for that, and I hope still it is stable at 92%. Thanks for your love and affection and for supporting us. So once when we work regarding towards this kind of words, so whatever we have just shown in the block diagram, that was the complete process inside the NLP. Okay, so in that the process is not complete until we are not completing all the complete data. It is not possible to display it. So therefore, still there are many more to go. So day by day we will be having that extensions. But for this lemmatization as well as the stemmings, how it is being applied means the normal the word will be provided, similar word extracted from the dictionary, and this related to that similar word they will be checking for the prefixes and suffixes. So from that the correctness, whatever the correctness will be there, like either should be added or should be removed. So adding will be done with the help of lemmatization, removing will be done with the help of stemming. Then once after checking the correctness, the possible list of the stems and lumps will be applied. So in this way, it will be completely distributing to us. So the same kind of application. Once again, I can also say regarding towards the our mobile phone chatting. So like here, let us consider the screen of the mobile, and here we are just having the keypad. Okay, so let that be the message display and let this be the keypad. So just for a rough, I will just make it. So these are known as the respective keypad inside our chatting place. So once whenever we are chatting, we will just provide the message. So that message will be displayed over here. So how that particular display will be there means, here if you are just typing, so if I am typing it as how, okay, so what and all things here it will be there means, at first it will be having how, then it comes how are, and finally it may be coming like how is. So this also I cannot predict it. I'm just showing it as an demo. So this different parts, okay, so this different parts only here it is being predicted. So how the prediction is done? Because morningly if you just type how means as a message after a long time, therefore it will be like how are you. If anybody is feeling ill means we'll be just messaging it as how is your health. So definitely with the how, these are only the possibility things once when we are starting to message. Okay, so therefore when we type this, these two things will be predicted and this will be added up over here. Now on to the same thing, if I am just typing my name as Jishnu, then what will be there means there won't be any predictions over there, only this will be there. Why means my name it is not like added towards the respective dictionary, so its names cannot be added towards the dictionary. So through that particular thing what we can understand means the regular words whatever we are using. And if you guys want to try means after typing Jishnu, just give space and type something means, then again that prediction will be there. Those three columns will be there. Let it be your Apple phone or Android, anything, everywhere it is three only. So in this way only, here we will be able to just collect the different data. So for that particular different data itself, we will be able to understand the required process. So through that particular process only, here we can just integrate whatever we need for our requirements. So that requirements inside the chatting or just providing some keywords as input means it will be helping us only with the help of this stemming or lemmatization. Okay, so in this way only the Grammarly, our mobile keypads, autocorrection and spelling checkings, everything it will be working inside the all the applications which we use till this day. Now if we just go for the comparison on stemming as well as lemmatization means, lemmatization is also called as lemma, the same definition only here also I have just made it. So onto that particular different comparisons like stemming, it removes that particular last few characters which can be said as the suffixes of a word. So here itself I have given an example. This example is widely available, and among this particular example like information, inside stemming it comes as inform, informative again inform, computers compute, feet means feet. So this is now the same thing for stemming. Now therefore just once when we wait for lemmatization means information, informative, computers, computer. Feed means food. So like this kind of different applications we will be able to get over here. So on to that particular main collaborations only we will be able to get this output. That is the major difference between stemming as well as lemmatization. We can use both or either one like that. That is up to our wish. Okay, so now let us see some demos on lemmatizing. So for that, I am just taking the collab. Collab is the best thing whichever I have worked, because if I just open Anaconda Navigator and installing the packages means some RAM will be taken. But whatever the RAMs we are having inside the Google Collab, it is completely simulator only through cloud. So here they are also asking with my particular feedback. Definitely, I am very much satisfied for that. So I don't have any more requests, so that I have just given. Yeah. So now let us start with that respective requirements. So first let us start with WordNet lematizer. So through that WordNet lematizer, how to call that particular functions and how to download that, everything we can see. So like first comes with WordNet, and now among with that particular WordNet, same import nltk, then comes with nltk dot download. So previously for the same command we have used puncut, which is nothing but respective punctuation kits. Okay, so here we are not going for that. Here we need WordNet, so that should be downloaded. So therefore, I'm just downloading it. I think it will be better if you write the entire codes in a single slice. Now from this, I'm just going to import stemming as lematizer nltk.stem. From that, import WordNet lematizer. Now we have to provide a variable and we have to call that WordNet lematizer. So WordNet lematizer as a. Here I am creating a complete list over there. So within the list I can provide any words. So not like a sentence and all. You can provide any words. So now first I am going to provide as gates, right, try, or let it be tries. I'm sure definitely like that words are not there, but anyway we have to just work it on it. So then drive, likes. Okay, so I hope this much is enough. Let us try for this. Now what we have to apply means we have to collect that respective data in for loop so that all that data can be iterated. And here I'm just providing the variable, new variable, and which one we have to call means our variable r. Now we have to just apply print then bracket words, sorry, not words. By speaking it as words itself, I'm just typing that. So now, therefore, the next thing is that respective data we have to just compare with the lemmatized data. Whatever the data it is taking, we have to lemmatize it. So, what is our lemmatization variable? It is nothing but a dot lemmatize. So this will be that particular keyword, case sensitive. So which one means whatever we are getting in the for loop, one by one. So gates means gate, tries means try, drive means drive, likes means like. So here we are just able to get a complete data, which seems very much good over here. So now in this way only the WordNet lemmatizer can be used for this kind of lemmatization purpose. Okay, so next let us go for text block. So this text block also is more kind of interesting one. So text block itself is a package to work with many kinds of words over here. So therefore, once let us try with the one by one. Inside this text block, we will be able to apply as a one by one, and at the same time, we can also take it as a group. So now let us take that particular to a sentence. So hereby, just we will apply from text block. So inside collab we have that package, that's why it is import. As well as word, these two functions we are importing. Now we have to provide a word. So which word we have to find out means I am providing it as respective functions on to the like twice. Then where it will be collecting the word means so therefore the word will be collected, and whatever it must be printed, those data will be with lemmatize function. So next, if we just provide that respective sentence means, first of all, let us try for this what we are getting. We are getting as a respective removed one. Now along with this, if we provide a sentence, sen, he tries something newly. So like a find and replace, let us see what will be the output. So for this I am just providing text blob and within bracket for which means then, because there only we have wrote the sentence. Now we have to lemmatize it. So onto that lemmatization we can also join whatever it is required to add the data. So that we have to lemmatize the entire word. The w dot lemmatize off. Now within this lemmatization we have to apply the for. Are in D. So we have to apply with that. V dot words. Now onto that particular words only, here we have to apply. So apply in the form of printing only. As usual, we can provide print of the variable here. So here that corpus error has been applied. Okay, so here nltk dot download within bracket. Here we can see he tries something newly, but everything it has came in the form of a joint sentence because we have left only the join. Let's try. Yeah, now it is correct. So we need a Punket package for that. He tries something newly. He tries something newly. He tries something newly. So now the particular word has been replaced over here. So in this way only we will be working on the lemmatization inside the artificial intelligence. Today's news is like artificial intelligence has to reshape all the automotive industries, let it be even in products as well as monitoring all the employees, like with the help of augmented reality and mixed reality. So by combining that, some of the industries has unveiled, and at the same time, many of them are also creating the training purposes through this kind of reality with artificial intelligence. So I hope everyone is clear with today's session. So participants, if there are any doubts, you can just post it. Okay. So once again, happy New Year to all, and I hope everyone has enjoyed today's session also. So okay, guys, then thank you all. Meet you tomorrow at same time with a different topic. Thanks for all your love as well as your votes. Okay, Likita, this processing lemmatization stemming are applicable to only English language or all other language? All other languages, it is possible. This is a technique in NLP, not for English. So if it is a technique in NLP, means it is possible for all the languages. Okay, participants, thank you all. So therefore, we'll meet you tomorrow. Wish you happy New Year. That you enjoy a prosperous New Year with your family. Thank you all.